The problem I had this time is related to my Epson dimmer, my projector, which I needed to change the lamp, and I didn't want to purchase an original one, as who owns such a dimmer knows is very expensive. You will spend some hundreds of dollars if you want an original lamp, but there are on the market even not original lamps for around $50, $60, $200. I tested them. I ordered one on Amazon and it worked fine, except for a noise, a beeping, kind of siren. I will let you hear from this video. I hope you heard it, but it's like a siren. It keeps beeping and beeping all the time. So I searched on the internet, on YouTube, and except for the sound that I've recorded from a video, because I already solved my problem, so I don't want to reproduce it, I didn't find anything. But the issue is not... Okay, the issue is the fact that the lamp is not original. But it's not really a problem of lamp, of bulb. It's a problem of casing. So what the beamer recognizes as not original is not the bulb, but it's the casing. So this is the casing. This is the not original one, which I've already opened. And what you need to do is, if you already have purchased a replacement lamp, not original one, with the housing, or even if you have just purchased the bulb, you need just to extract the original lamp from the housing and replace it with what you have purchased. And the result will be this. Here I have a non-original lamp, and there is no sound coming from the dimmer. And I assure you that with the non-original housing, the beeping was never ending, and it was really a hassle. So what you need to do, I will place in the description of this video the link to some tutorials on how to open the housing, is just to unscrew these 4 screws from here, from the housing, and there will be also this that helps you pull the housing from the projector. As soon as you have unscrewed, you will be able to remove the bulb, this one, and you will have to use 2 screwdrivers. With this one, you just remove the protection that is set around the bulb. You just keep pressing around the lamp, and you will see it will then come out. As soon as it is removed, it's not as easy as I'm doing now, I'm showing you now because it's already removed. You can then disconnect the power connector and remove the bulb. This is the original one, Epson, original one. And what I have replaced in my dimmer is the non-original bulb with the original housing, which is now working fine without any noise. So the solution is keep the original housing, purchase a bulb. If you don't find just the bulb, okay, purchase even the bulb with housing, but then you have to remove it from the non-original housing and mount it. As soon as this is done, you have a working dimmer without any noise, with a new lamp. You can put it in eco mode, so you have really no noise at all. Even the fan is not possible to hear it, and you will have solved with $50 your problem. Thank you for listening. Bye.